Costco in Japan, and this building is no joke. I don't know why it's so tall, but yeah. We're just here to eat lunch and just see what's different. Last time I was here, I went to Costco in Japan in Yokohama, I believe. And this one is right next to Tokyo. So we're gonna go in here, try the concessions, see what's different to eat for lunch here, and then yeah, go in and shop for some things. We just got here to Tokyo. I want to stock up on a couple of things. Look how busy this is. Even our driver that dropped us off made a comment about it being super, super packed. We've got this Portuguese bean soup, a peach sundae, which sounds awesome, honey shikuwaza smoothie, pizzas. We got a pineapple pizza. Of course, got the hot dogs. We got a roast pork sandwich, French fries, chicken sticks and French fries. Love that. That's what I want to try right there. The bulgogi bake. One of my first times trying something that I've been wanting to try forever. So of course the hot dogs kind of have the same look. I don't know, there's something about it that's different. Mia ordered the chicken and fries. Let me try this. Oh my god, that's good. They look baked. This is what I've been waiting for. This is called a bulgogi bake. Bulgogi is a Korean dish. Imagine a savory sweet beef that's in what normally is in a chicken bake piece of bread. So first off, the French fries, legit. They look baked though. Let me show you. You got ones that look like this. Got some black parts. Probably put it into an oven because you can just make so much more when you bake it versus deep frying. Less of a hassle, less messy. Only downside, this. You get ones that look like they're a little bit undercooked. Other thing too, this is a cross between a chicken nugget and a chicken strip. The texture, I mean like.
You're gonna use the lid.
I'm gonna try it though. That's hella good. This is also baked. The one thing already I'm noticing, less salt. This is what I'm talking about. The inside looks slightly different. I forget what they have. I think it's all beef hot dogs now in the States. They used to have Polish dogs. This has probably got more of a Japanese palate flavor profile. That's good. Let me try this. Chicken, thank you, Mia, with some ketchup. Mia, I like your quick thinking. For whatever reason, they don't have cups for ketchup, so she used a divider.
They don't have a lot of things.
I know. I don't know what I'm more desperate for, ketchup or water.
I know.
Now, with that being said, though, let me try this.
I know for a fact I want water.
This is some kind of special
ginger.
citrus fruit turned into a smoothie. That's like yuzu. I think it's yuzu. This is hella good. It's also hella sweet. You want to try it? Oh, I didn't tell you. Not only is it super hot today because it's a summer, it's 90 plus degrees out, but a typhoon is coming. So it's windy and it's muggy because you can feel the humidity. If you get a chance to try this, whatever it is, this citrus smoothie thing, imagine an icy with a more flowery, citrusy flavor profile. And what I love about Japan, not only do they ease up on the salt, so you can add your own salt, or in this case, dip it in ketchup, but with sweet drinks, they're not using as much sugar. So even though this is sweet, it's not overly sweet. It's more refreshing than anything. Time has come. Look at this. Look at this. You can see the bulgogi sticking out there. I'm excited about this. This beef filling, try it.
I don't know.
Juliana's probably never had bulgogi before. One of the worst things Costco ever did, was remove the green onions from the chicken bake. You need the green onions. This has plenty of green onions.
The sun is. I just remembered I had this in my bag. Yeah. I just grabbed it out.
This is my second time going to a Costco cafeteria. There's always something new. Last time there was a deep fried shrimp burger, girls, that was really good. And they had a regular burger. They did have this, but for whatever reason I didn't order it. This is my favorite thing I've ever had at a Costco, right here. I don't know what this witchcraft is, but I just rolled this cart up to this, I don't know what you call this, an escalator. That's like a walk-a-lator, and it's not moving. These wheels are magnetically locked in. Oh, it looks like there's something on that wheel. We really had to escape the heat, so we cut our lunch a little bit short. Uh-oh, there we go.
That's cool.
Look at that. almost like magnetically.
Oh, do you see the magnets?
Can I move it?
There's some magnets there.
Can I move it, please?
That's cool. On a positive note,
Can we get a salad here?
it's air conditioned,
Like
girls.
a Caesar salad?
Oh, we're definitely gonna get a salad.
We're going
So
to
the
Costco to
layout
lunch.
is a little bit different since you go up onto a higher floor. Never seen that before. Whole backs of butane. But generally, everything does look the same. Juliana just made a comment, not that this affects your shopping experience, but you don't really realize how tall the ceilings are in a Costco until you come to one where the ceiling is slightly shorter because we're on the second floor. This would have been good with that bulgogi bake, a whole keg of Heineken. Tokyo, there's not a lot of room to build, so the footprint, I'm assuming, of the building has to be a little smaller, hence why the Costco is on the second floor. And I'm assuming on the first floor, it's the parking lot, girls. See, in America, we take it for granted what we have in terms of like that vast amounts of land, especially if you go to the Midwest or the South, like Texas. But here in Tokyo, smaller footprint, still just as big, just more on the height. That's why the building was so tall.
Am I allowed to stay on that couch?
Okay, so when I said the building's taller, that's kind of an understatement. I didn't realize there's another story. So there's a third floor where you have to go up these crazy escalators because all the food is up there for sure.
Do you know that?
The thing is, I don't know how to get up there. Okay, after some confusion, a worker said the food is down below because the parking lot is on top, which I would not have thought of putting the parking lot on top. I wonder if that helps though with air conditioning, being closer to the ground and having the roof and all that insulation. The good stuff is down here, and it looks like there's a lot of good stuff. By the way, spot the green bottle, Parmesan cheese. You guys don't know about that Parmesan cheese. No comment. You want to go look at it first? These girls only know freshly grated Parmesan. Okay, not really Japanese, but very interesting. I wonder if this is a throwback to the original design or they changed it up.
They probably changed it.
But I've never seen that design of Frosted Flakes in the States. So unlike Mexico where you can't have cartoons on the boxes, you definitely can have anime on here. This is a variety pack of different kinds of cereals. There's this granola, Frosted Flakes, whatever that is. It looks chocolatey, and then corn flakes. Definitely a lot less sweet here in Japan. It's confusing because in Japan, it seems like they eat a lot of sweets, but the amount of sugar they use in all their foods is a lot less. So that's why I don't mind letting the girls eat a little more sweets than normal. This is a green bottle I was talking about.
Are you gonna get it or
Crap
something?
Parmesan with Japanese writing on it.
Are you gonna get it?
No, because a 90s kid like me grew up on that green bottle
You liked
when
it
it
when
comes
you
to
were a kid?
Parmesan. Yeah, I loved it when I was a kid. I didn't know anything different. But you get the fresh stuff. You get the stuff that they serve at restaurants, and a lot of people eat that. But that green bottle is still very popular because it's way cheaper. Oh, it's pasta sauce that I think has meat inside of it. You don't see that often in the States.
I do.
Sauce that already has a meat on it. I've definitely never seen it at Costco sold as a big box like that. Whoa, Kewpie pasta sauce. So there's 3 different flavors. Kewpie based pasta sauce. I told Chris that Japanese people love their Kewpie more than mayonnaise. They just love Kewpie, the real Kewpie. And I've never seen that. That's mind blowing right there. I thought that was carbonara. No, that's a mayonnaise based pasta sauce. Carla, you have to forgive us. Look what we found. Only in Japan, taco rice. So I'm guessing it's maybe, what is this, just flavor packets
No, it's
for the meat?
probably like dried up things, and you have to like cook it or something, microwave it or something.
Okay, that is unusual. Is taco rice a thing in Mexico?
Probably not.
In our house, taco rice isn't really a thing that we make.
Have you
It's
ever
just something
made it
that
before?
we eat because if
You
we
ever
have
made it before, Daddy?
if we have leftover taco meat, we're definitely putting on rice because we almost
do?
always have rice. Sometimes we do.
I don't ever eat that before.
These are the things we didn't get to vlog last time. When I say we, me and my friend who came here with me. Look, pre-made beef curry in a big box like this. That looks really good. I would totally try that. Organic corn pottage. So at our hotel, they have this in the mornings for the breakfast buffet. I don't know why they call it pottage, but it's like a corn chowder. Maybe that's just the way they say it here in Japan. and they got it here. Probably recognize this.
I know this. This is in our house.
See, they do sell some stuff from America here. A lot of the Kirkland signature foods.
I've never
Same
seen
thing with this. They do have it there. They sell them not just here, but all over the world. If you shop at Costco and watch these Costco vlogs, I'm assuming you probably know that a lot of those Kirkland brands are from America. But for us, that's all we know. So when I see it in another country, especially when I saw it in the Philippines at an S&R, it always surprised me that I could find Kirkland brand there in the middle of nowhere. Are you interested in all this stuff? You're so curious. No, she's here for the free samples. Hey, did you see if that pizza was done? We'll go that way. Definitely way more noodle options. All these are different ramen noodles. This is a ramen kit that looks very premium. It's got the gold writing, ramen kagetsu arashi. Dan noodle kit. Definitely looks fancy. We're in Asia. Of course, they're gonna have a lot of noodles. I've just never seen them. What is this? This is called a Thai rice noodle cup. Bet that's spicy. Okay, this is a crazy good deal. So this is the Vermont curry that we love. The one with the apple kind of flavor to it.
It doesn't taste like apple.
It says 50%. I don't know what that means. Hopefully that's not 50% sodium. Or maybe for 50% more. What is this? Giant can of curry powder by the brand that we like, S&B. Dinner curry flake. So you probably dissolve this in water and then you got your curry base. Curry bricks are expensive, especially that Vermont brand. I was about to go buck wild and send a whole suitcase home. I spotted the real deal, finally. After years and years. Look at this. Kewpie, the actual Kewpie being sold at Costco. This is the real one. Now this packaging is unusual.
What about the other one,
What is
Daddy?
this?
What do you mean it's original?
It's just a well, because I've saved you guys a lot from the fake Kewpie. There's an American version of Kewpie
I know, but where do you get the real one then?
at the Wajima, but here they sell it at Costco.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Of course, they wouldn't have the American stuff, but yeah, comes in a box, and I'm guessing these like packages are bigger than the average bottle. Finally, even though we're not staying at an Airbnb and our hotel has delicious food, one of the reasons I come here, just like any other Costco when we travel, is snacks. This mixed osembe, mixed beer snacks, 1,400 yen. That's a good deal, this whole box. These days we bring a whole extra suitcase or a huge duffel bag that folds up, like a heavy duty one. Kit Kat for cafe. I don't know what that means, but they got it. I would assume it has a coffee flavor, but maybe not. Okay, that looks so fun.
I had that one.
You had that once? Do they sell it in America?
No.
Or did you have it in Japan?
From Japan.
Okay.
And then I brought it home and I brought it to somebody.
Let's get this. This looks fun. I like that it's an activity as well as a snack. No, we're gonna ride a Uber home.
What about in the airplane?
No, we'll be fine. Spam alert. There's Japanese writing on it, so that makes it cooler.
Cool.
And it's on sale. Suica juice, that's watermelon juice. Personally, I'm not into watermelon juice. I'd rather just eat the watermelon. Okay, so yes, everybody has croissants, but do they have these type of croissants? Bicolor croissants. Oh, it's filled with tangerine and hazelnut paste. Oh, okay. I'm assuming that has a tangerine, that has a hazelnut.
That's a cool thing.
I vlogged this last time. They do have croissants too, but way smaller. Still a really good price. I'd prefer this size, honestly, especially if you have kids. Japan does have some pretty awesome watermelons. Look at this, it looks like a cartoon. In Japan, fruit presentation is very, very important to them. Even in America, people tend to not buy fruits that look ugly. They get tossed away or sold for something else. Here, it's all gotta look perfect. Hence why you find fruits that are $100 a piece as gifts. They love their mushrooms. I forgot which one this is called. I got these ones. These ones are one of my favorites right here. Sorry, I don't know the names of these. Oh yeah, Buna Shimeji. Buna Shimeji. And these ones, again, I forgot. Got maitakas, yukigunis, shiitakes, cute. And then your standard, very American looking mushrooms as well. I'm not sure what's up with these, but in Japan, this is onion right here, or a type of onion. They don't call it a green onion. They call it a white onion, domestic. I mean, probably grown here. We don't have onions like this in America. Is there anything
do you
special
have to
about
take it,
those? Is it just a standard blueberry?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Why do you have to take it, Daddy?
I don't know. They made me get it off the table, not her. Which, I mean, I don't mind. Okay, I've been geeking out on poke lately. Yeah.
Oh, that's silly.
Okay, a lot of poke here.
Silly.
What is that? Is this poke?
Some fruit, Daddy.
Oh, it's kind of different. This is mackerel. This is ground tuna.
Let's take a
This is Hawaiian salmon poke. Looks hella good. Okay, so I wanted to get fruits for the hotel. And look, these look awesome.
Well,
I was specifically looking for fruits from Japan.
This is fancy.
And these look awesome. Let's just make sure they're from Japan. Fukushima. I think that's where the nuclear disaster was, but these do smell hella good. We'll get a whole box. Japanese peaches, I'd have to say, are as good as Washington peaches. Yep. That's it. Quick trip to Costco. Hey, was that quick?